Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, are you hoping to play Clash of Clans on your PC without needing an emulator? It's a question many players ask, hoping for a smoother, larger screen experience for their favorite mobile game. The idea of ditching emulators sounds fantastic, doesn't it? Well, today, we're going to dive deep into exactly what's possible for Clash of Clans on PC in 2025. So, why do players want to avoid traditional emulators in the first place? Often, they can be pretty demanding on your computer's resources, making everything feel a bit sluggish. They might also feel clunky to set up, sometimes requiring a bit of troubleshooting. People are really just looking for a more seamless and integrated way to enjoy their mobile games right on their desktop. Now, let's talk about the official word for 2025. Supercell, the developers behind Clash of Clans, does not provide a native PC version of the game. This means there's no official, direct way to play it on your computer without some kind of software bridging the gap. Be wary of any promises promising a true no-emulator solution, as these are typically not supported. So, what asterisk is the closest thing to playing Clash of Clans natively on PC? The answer is Google Play Games for PC. This platform, developed by Google, allows a growing selection of Android games, including Clash of Clans, to run directly on your Windows computer. It's designed to be much more optimized than a traditional emulator, providing a far smoother, more integrated experience for PC gamers. In summary, while the dream of a true no-emulator Clash of Clans experience on PC isn't officially supported, Google Play Games for PC is the best alternative out there. It provides a highly optimized, safe, and legitimate way to enjoy your favorite mobile game on a larger screen. For 2025, this is definitely your go-to method for playing Clash of Clans on your computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.